So that's a view of Mom's kitchen. I guess the lighting is really cool. It's changing. It's red now. Getting over to orange, yellow, violet, blue. That's absolutely cool. I think on top is a little, there's a little space on the left. I can adjust this a little bit, but there shouldn't be so much light coming out. Cool kitchen. Bar stools, the oven, the sink, microwave, oven, everything here. Cool faucet. I like that. And a big view into the hallway. And that's a view from the kitchen above the city.